The goal with this activity is to loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to put your hands on the wall, and you want a stance that's wider than hip width apart. And then you're going to start with soft knees. From here, what you're going to do is take a silent in through the nose. Exhale, you want to walk your hands down. You're going to push your hips back just a little bit. The hinge that I'm doing is about that amount, not this. Like that. From here, if I'm going to go to the left leg, I'm going to get a little bit of pressure on the inside heel and the base of the big toe on the right foot. I'm not going to tip. I'm going to take a silent in, exhale. I'm going to push through that side and walk. So my foot, knee, hip, chest, and eye are all lined up over this left leg here. So I'm in essentially a lateral squat position like this that's slightly hinged. So I'm here, silent in, exhale, walk it down, one more. Walk across. If you get it right, you'll feel glutes, back of the hips engaging. Breathe. Silent in through the nose. Nice, slow exhale. Rinse and repeat. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.